What's up everybody, Peter the Leader here, coming at you with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox the 1966 Robin figure. The video before this, we opened up the Batman version, if you guys want to check that out, in my last video. And today, again, this is by HEROCROSS. I came across these guys while I was searching for some Comic-Con stuff, since I wasn't able to make it this year. Or any year. I've never been to Comic-Con, but I always like to see what's new and cool, and this was one of the companies that stood out for me. They had an exclusive figure at Comic-Con, and it's on the way, and I'll unbox that for you guys too when it arrives. But today we're doing the Robin. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter or Instagram at Peter the Leader, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.